Well, JD here again. I've been waiting for this day for a few months now. Very quick unboxing video. I've got a bit of man flu at the moment, so I'm not going to demonstrate this today, but it's literally just turned up, so I thought I'd do an unboxing and then I will do a full review, I think, of this machine. So this isn't car finance related, this is car detailing related, and this has literally just turned up. And this is the Liquid Elements A1000 portable battery polisher. Oh, I'm going to drop it. So I haven't got my camera with me today, so I'm just trying to do it on my phone. But let's have a look what we've got. So we've got a collection of little 40mm pads in the box, and then here is the actual device. See if I can open it. Sorry, I do apologise, the phone went off then. So this is the case, obviously. Let's just have a look what's inside then. So, this is so difficult to do with one hand. Oh! So, what do we have? So, obviously I've already shown you this, so we've got our little pack of 40mm pads of different grades. Not sure what's in here. We'll have a look at that in a minute. The actual machine comes with 2 batteries, obviously a charger, and here is the machine, and it does, I have to say, seem extremely good. Sure what happens there, whether that comes off or what, but let's just put him back on. Can we put that back on? Not sure about that. We'll look at that later. Speed control, nice trigger. Seems very well made, I have to say. Quite weighty actually. So let's have a look what's in this little box. I'm going to put the phone down a second if I can. So in here we have got some kind of bristle attachment. I suppose that might be useful for getting rid of rust. You've got the different attachments, and I think, and don't quote me on this, but I think this because you can have different throws on the DA. I think you can have it as a straight rotary, or you can also have an offset, more like a DA head, to obviously make it slightly less aggressive and safer on the paint. And then a tiny little backing plate, look, 40mm backing plate, I think that is. So looking forward to using this. I just wanted to share it with you. I'm going to do a test. I thought a really good test would be, for anyone who's watched me before, you know I've got a 911 Carrera 4S, and on the engine fins at the back, it's very difficult to get even a 3-inch polisher into there, so I'm going to use that on that area, and I'll do a bit of a side-by-side test hopefully in the next few days. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Catch you very soon.